Hello, my fellow Aldi addict. It is the day before Christmas Eve, and I'm getting all my holiday shopping done. I do have a Walmart pickup for a little over half of it, which has made it significantly easier. And I'm going to get that right after Aldi. But I'm going to get into Aldi, get the goods, because I'm not going to be shopping on Monday. So I need to get enough to get me through the Christmas holiday. We're having guests, we're going places, and I need food to accommodate. Look how few carts. I tell you, it's busy. My husband's making a double batch of Chex Mix, and he asked me to get Cheez-Its, $3.59. I need 2 baguettes for when I make bruschetta. I slice these up, bake them, rub them with garlic, so good, $1.59. I'm making this for 2 family Christmases. And then on Christmas, we are actually just having soup, 2 different kinds, but I need bread to go with it, $3.99. I need whole milk for soup, $1.61 for a half gallon. $4.69 heavy whipping cream. I need onions for my soups, $2.19. 10 pounds of potatoes because I'm making mashed potatoes and I'm making potato soup, $3.49. I need 7 cans of the diced tomatoes with basil garlic, 89 cents a piece. I'm making tomato and potato soup on Christmas Day for my family, and the great thing is that'll be really easy leftovers throughout the week. I'm making my absolute favorite meatballs. You use sauerkraut, chili sauce, and cranberries, brown sugar, and meatballs in a crock pot. So easy, so delicious. So of course I need sauerkraut, $1.59. $1.49. I'm getting 1 thing of the whole cranberries and 1 of the cranberry jelly for the meatballs. Since I'm doubling the batch, you could use either, but I'm just going to use 1 of each. Okay, I need to pick through and find the best Roma tomatoes. I wanted about 12 to 14 of them because I'm making bruschetta twice and I like to use Roma. So these look alright. I want really red ones, but bacon crumbles for potato soup, $1.95. Garlic stuffed olives, $2.99. 2 chili sauces, $1.45 each. These are for the meatballs. I realized we're having quesadillas for dinner tonight and I never bought any tortillas, $1.95. My husband's making a Carrabba's style dip, a seasoning dip, so I need lots of seasonings that he just makes a giant batch. 99 cents for garlic powder, 99 cents for garlic salt. I also need parsley, oregano. Oh my gosh, they don't have basil? What? They don't have basil here. Well, they don't have dried basil, but I'm also getting a tube of the basil for my tomato soup, $2.49. I'm gonna get this olive oil to dip our bread in with the Carrabba's seasoning, $5.69. I'm getting this for the base of my soups. I'm actually going to get 3 of them, $1.45. I wanted the larger dried salami, but they don't have it, so I will settle for the bite size. We love this stuff. We call it pepperoni, but it tastes just like pepperoni. The spicy salami, though, good. $6.49. I found the last one of garlic and herb, my favorite, $1.89. No one in my family would eat this, but I have my family coming over, like my siblings and parents, and they'd eat it with me, so I'm going to try this, $2.69. Sliced cheddar, I'm going to get 2 bags. I'm using cheese for lots of things, $2.99. Okay, I'm going to get the bagel bites and cheese. I actually don't know if we'll use these, but I feel like they're a good pinch item if I don't get to the store right away. My kids need an easy lunch to go with some vegetables and fruit. $6.39. It's just an easy freezer win. $3.99. I'm not sure which day I'm going to have this, either Christmas Eve or Christmas Day, but I know if I don't get it, I'll be in regrets. I love this stuff. I'm making stockings for the adults, and my dad loves these, $3.99. Okay, here's everything. I stuck pretty close to my list. Any guess on the total? Okay, my total for all this was $95.50. Now let's go to Walmart. I still had to run into Walmart, so I got garlic salt without parsley since Aldi's has parsley, and 2 basils, $1.12 each. Okay guys, I realized I needed green onions and then I thought of sour cream, and now I'm gonna also get hot chocolate because we might want that too. Give me a break for coffee. Okay, so I did Aldi, I did Walmart pickup. I was missing one thing between the two of them. I went into Walmart and I spent $16.36 more. So I realized I forgot sour cream at Aldi and green onion. I don't know how that escaped my list. I had to get the basil. Then I saw they had garlic salt without parsley, so I got that as well. And I also saw the hot chocolate packets, and I thought, you know, we might be running low, and my kids usually don't tell me we don't have hot chocolate until we actually run out, and I'm sure between Christmas Eve, Christmas Day, and the day after, we're going to be making a lot of hot chocolate. And I've only been gone from the house a little over an hour. That includes Aldi, stopping at Panera to get coffee, doing my Walmart pickup, and then going into Walmart. So actually, I feel like I made it out pretty lucky to get all that done. So my meal plan for the next 3 days is as follows. Christmas Eve, we're going to my in-laws. We always do like an appetizer fest, open gifts. It's a wonderful tradition, one of my favorite days of the year. And I'm taking mashed potatoes, which is my vegetarian's request. A lot of the things are meat-based, and she loves mashed potatoes, so it gives her like a really good filling solid base. So I'm making mashed potatoes. And then I'm also making bruschetta, which is like Roma tomato, fresh basil, garlic, some oils, salt, very simple all together. And then I make baguette crostinis. I slice the baguette, put olive oil on it, toast it, and then once it's toasted, you rub fresh garlic on it. It's so delicious. I'm actually making that again the day after Christmas, but that's my plan for Christmas Eve. Then on Christmas Day, we're going to have potato soup, tomato soup. I will prep both of those for easy cooking on Christmas Day. But then we're basically going to have soup going all day. My husband is going to make some either muffins or cinnamon rolls. He's not sure yet, but it's going to be pretty easy. We have the French toast sticks, sausage that I got at Walmart in the pickup. And then the day after Christmas, we are hosting my family for a family gathering. And I'm going to make those meatballs that I talked about. I'm going to make cheesy potatoes. Really simple to throw together. They're bringing a lot of food. I'm going to have pickles, the olives, the cheese dip that I got. And I know I'm going to have so many leftovers between these 3 days. So next week's meal plan is probably going to be pretty small, but I'll be shopping my normal shopping haul on Tuesday that I normally do on Monday, and I'll see you then. I hope you have a wonderful Christmas season. I hope you get to spend time with loved ones, eat food that you enjoy. And if you want to see how I make crock-pot cheesy potatoes vegetarian, you can check out this video right here. Thank you so much for watching. Ciao, and ciao.